Nanonood ba kayo ng My Pinoto Girl? Yes! At saka ito, dati pa lang sabi ko, nung una ko siya kilala, si sikat to. And now that he's super duper sikat, I'm so proud and so happy for his success.
And we have the same last name.
Tama!
Yes!
Tama nga, no?
By the way, team, bago natin siya tawagin, pakiusap lang ng Resorts World, no? Huwag tayo magtutulakan. Kasi daw baka may madisgrasya po. Safety is very important.
Yes,
no?
pero feel free to hear, magtalo na kayo sa stage dito.
Pwede siguro tumalon, sumigaw, pero huwag na lang tayo magtutulakan.
Practice muna tayo. Para sa guest natin. Pagdating niya, kailangan sigaw tayo malakas. Pag sinabi ko yung pangalan ni Blank, ang sisigawin natin, okay, practice natin.
Practice muna lang matinding sigaw.
Kumari ang pangalan niya, Sian. Kumari ang pangalan Sian. At dito na si Sian!
Ay, mahina! Napakahina!
Dito na, Sian is here! Dito! Ang hina naman!
Mahina! Dito naman, andito na si Sian! Mas malakas dito!
Si Tim Yap nandito. Dito na talaga siya. Si Richard Yap nandito rin. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen,
without further ado,
it is with great pride that we, introduce this next guest of ours here in Resorts World. Somebody na dugong Chino, proudly Filipino, walang iba. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sian Lim!
Kailangan picture lang. Nagalit si Moni.
Gusto kayo lahat?
You're running late when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. You understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I put it in a song. I don't know why I'm being shy. The way I look in your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Sabay-sabay tayo! The way that you flip your head, the way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. But I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Okay ba kayong lahat? That's what makes you beautiful. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. You don't know you're beautiful. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. You don't know you're beautiful. All right. Guys, kamusta kayo? How are you guys? Are you guys enjoying? Medyo mahina. Okay po ba kayong lahat? Alright, well thank you. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat din sa suporta na binibigay niyo. May tanong ako. Sinong nanonood ng Ina, Kapatid, Anak? Sige na. Trivia. Anong pangalan ko sa Ina, Kapatid, Anak? Ayun, nanonood nga sila. Alright.
Ako!
Isang song po.
Ako ang hit eh.
Para po sa mga... Aray ko, tumamag sa lahat.
Hindi ba yung tanisiyan kanina?
Para po ito sa mga...
Make me beautiful.
Nagmamahalang mga... Sino ngayon ang nagmamahalang? Malapit na Valentine's Day. Wala pa? Single?
Ako single! Ay, si Sel! Single si Sel! Nag-ano ko, video.
Para po sa lahat ng mga nagmamahalang na babae dito sa gabi na ito. Out of the town. Ayan, patuloy ako magpapasalamat sa inyo. So, sorry. Ayaw matanggal. There you go. So thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat for all the support, for everything na binigay nila from watching our soap, from supporting the mall shows. Talaga grabe.
Why don't you invite all your fans to continue to support your projects?
Ayan guys, patuloy niyo pong panoorin ang Ina, Kapatid, Anak. Ano nga pala nandito may mga nakita ko dito. Kimchi Global, Kat G, nandito sila. Team C, nandito. Lahat pang Team Louie, lahat sila nandito. So maraming salamat po.
Teka, meron ako dala, Mike. Hi, Mike.
Hello, welcome back.
Yes, thank you. Sian,
Yes!
I wanna ask you something. Okay, totoo ba na nililigawan mo si Kim Chu?
Wow!
Diretsahan na, di ba? Talaga, I wanna know, I'm really curious.
Siyempre gusto ko iparamdam sa kanya na special siya na tao. So, kung anong gusto mong sabihin ng tao doon, sila na bahala mo.
Bakit siya special sa puso mo?
Yes.
Special kasi... Special siya.
No words can explain.
Yes, special is special.
Anong qualities ni Kim Chu ang favorite ni Sian?
Mabait, maganda. Lahat na.
Lahat na, mabait, maganda, ano ba ba? Sa balik na, di ba?
Oo.
Ayun, oo. Ito naman, Mike and Sian, I wanna invite all of you guys. Araw-araw nasa radyo po ako. Every day, Monday hanggang Thursday, 99.5 Play FM. And every night, Mondays to Fridays, midnight, the Tim Yap Show. I hope you guys can watch him. And thank you so much.
Dami mo talagang racket, Tim.
Hindi, ano lang ako, alam mo, Chinese masipag.
Ako rin mag-vlog,
Go ahead.
Follow me on Twitter, it's @CNLim, and on Instagram, CNLim din ako,
Sian, both your
XIAN.
parents are Chinese.
My dad.
Your dad is
Yes.
But you know how to speak Chinese?
Not so, kasi hindi ako nakapag-aral sa Chinese
Yes.
school.
You grew up in the US, if I'm not mistaken.
Tampo. Di ba?
Tampo.
Marunong din, Mike, di ba?
Sabihin mo na lang, Yonghi Watsai, that's Happy New Year.
Yonghi Watsai.
One more time, go.
Yonghi Watsai.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sian Lim, thank you so much. We'll catch more of you later. Thank you.
And thank you so much again,
Thank you
Mike.
very
Thank you so
much,
much. Ay, ang bling-bling naman ni Mike, oh. Di ba naman? Sumikinan. Mike, thank
Good
you so
luck in all
much.
your projects, Tim. Mr. Tim Yap, let's give him another big